Hello friends, this is a Samsung SSD unboxing video. Actually, I'm having this disk for now about 2 years, so it's very high speed, 560 and 530 megabits per second read and write speed. So let's open the box and see what's inside. There is this documentation. The documentation and the disk itself. So here all the knowledge is stored. Did you get it? Stored. Okay, let's open it up and see what's inside. So don't put this in washing machine, don't eat it, don't brush your teeth with it. You get it, all the nonsense. Alright. So basically how to install the disk and all the recommendations and other stuff. Sometimes I'm really surprised how many information they put in these manuals, like how hard it is to install SSD drive or any drive whatsoever. So you just put it in your computer and basically it's done. I don't get it, like why such a paperwork over here? Maybe you can tell me why. So basically you can use this SSD disk into the laptops, computers, external disks. You can install as a second disk, as a primary disk. Do it as you wish. Okay, let's see the Samsung disk itself. It's like a fresh pizza. Fresh and tasty and really light actually. Standard is SATA plug. And the power supply, of course. There is a lot of small details written on the back on this disk. It says 5 volts, 1.4 amperes, 2 terabytes. What else? Well, some kind of odd numbers. But the problem with this disk was that after 2 years of storing data, it get really slow. And eventually I get my data out. It didn't fail me in this section, but basically I formatted the disk and installed new Windows on it, and it went from 560 to about 200. So yep, I checked with the HT Tune, and as you can see that the disk show up very healthy, and there was no bad sectors or any kind of other damage whatsoever. But as you can see here, the speeds are dropping rapidly. Also it must be way higher, and they should be constantly hot. So I don't know what's the deal with this SSD drive, but apparently it has some kind of issues. I don't know. And also I did the Samsung dedicated software test, and it also showed the good results. But in reality, it's not so great. It's not so good. I don't know what's happening.